In today's video, we're diving into the world of Sony cameras, exploring the best options for photographers and videographers alike. From cutting-edge sensor technology to industry-leading autofocus, Sony's innovation continues to drive the mirrorless camera market forward. We'll break down the top models you should consider, whether you're a professional looking for advanced features or a hobbyist seeking quality and compact design. Stay tuned as we unveil the best Sony cameras that deliver exceptional performance and stunning image quality. All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. For more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison, please visit our website at smartpicked.com. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to keep up with our latest updates. Now, let's jump into the listicle. Number 5. Sony A7 Mark III. Sony's A7 Mark III is a best budget Sony camera. You need a camera that offers incredible value without breaking the bank, and the Sony A7 Mark III delivers. This full-frame marvel boasts a 696-point AF system with eye autofocus, which means you'll never miss a moment. When it comes to video, the 4K quality paired with 5-axis image stabilization is simply unbeatable. Crisp and steady footage, even in shaky hands, makes filming a joy rather than a hassle. The 24.2 megapixel back-illuminated sensor captures stunning detail and excels in low light, opening up creative possibilities even in challenging conditions. Let's talk lenses. Despite the slightly small body for professional lenses, the extensive selection of both Sony and third-party lenses is a real advantage. You can always find the perfect piece of glass for your needs. This versatility ensures that you're not boxed into one brand or style, giving you more freedom to create. It isn't the fastest camera out there, nor does it offer ultra-high resolution like the A7R Mark V. However, the Sony A7 Mark III excels at offering balanced performance that makes it the best budget Sony camera. You're getting top-notch features at a sensible price, which is hard to resist. The A7 Mark III is a great mix of handling, performance, and budget. Number 4. Sony A7R Mark V. The Sony A7R Mark V is the camera that takes resolution to the next level. This incredible device sports a 61 megapixel sensor, pushing image detail to unprecedented heights. As a portrait, landscape, or product photographer, you'll marvel at the clarity and richness, especially when paired with top-tier lenses from Sony or Sigma. Perfect for professionals, the A7R Mark V features one of the best AI subject recognition AF systems. It recognizes subjects quickly, locks on, and keeps them in focus with ease. This makes it ideal for wildlife and sports photography, where every moment counts. Plus, the improved in-body image stabilization ensures your shots remain sharp, even with minimal camera shake. Though exceptionally capable, the camera body feels compact and may seem mismatched with larger pro lenses. Customizing buttons allows you to tailor the controls to your preferences, but it requires time and a keen memory. Once set up, you may love the personalized experience it provides. What truly shines is its ability to crop images while maintaining high levels of detail. You won't need the longest lens to get close-up shots. With a 10 FPS burst rate, capturing fast-moving subjects becomes manageable, albeit slightly slower than some competitors. While the enhancements might not be a game-changer for a 7R Mark IV owners, newcomers aiming for maximal resolution in a full-frame camera will find this model indispensable. Still searching for the perfect Sony camera? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. Number 3. Sony 6400. The Sony A6400 is a gem for those on a budget. You don't want to splurge on the A6700. This mid-range option offers fantastic bang for your buck. Nestled comfortably between the higher-end A6600 and the entry-level A6100, the A6400 strikes a fine balance. You'll appreciate its higher-resolution viewfinder, which delivers crisp, clear visuals. The sturdier body design feels robust in your hands, a significant step up from the beginner-oriented Sony A6100. While it lacks the built-in image stabilization found in the A6600, its performance remains impressive, especially paired with quality lenses. You can shoot stunning photos that rival pricier models. Portability is another huge win, making it a versatile choice for on-the-go moments. Casual video work and vlogging are still very much within reach. Despite dated video features, it gets the job done effectively. The A6400 may have an outdated menu system and less than perfect ergonomics, but these issues are easy to overlook given its overall value. What stands out most? The way this camera delivers such high-quality images without breaking the bank. However, you might find navigating the menu a bit clunky, although it's manageable with patience. In an evolving market, the Sony A6400 remains a top pick for mid-range options. Number 2, Sony ZV-E1. The Sony ZV-E1 makes vlogging a breeze. Packing in cutting-edge AI tech, it outshines its rivals for solo content creators. Smaller and lighter than most, the ZV-E1 offers unmatched portability without sacrificing quality. Featuring the full-frame sensor from the A7S III in compact packaging, this camera excels in low light. Crisp 4K video in any lighting sets it apart. Our tests confirmed this. Much like the pricier A7S III, it delivers where it counts. In-body image stabilization impresses with super smooth handheld footage. You won't miss a gimbal with this level of steadiness. The intelligent framing tools track subjects seamlessly, giving you an AI assistant in your pocket. Post-production becomes quicker and less tedious. Downsides? Maybe, but they're minor. It lacks cooling vents and offers just a single card slot, making it less ideal for heavy users. Slow-motion fans wait until June 20th, 2023 for 4K at 120p. Still, these are small trade-offs for the cheapest way to access the A7S III sensor. What stands out most is how user-friendly it is. The ZV-E1's ease of use lets you focus on creativity rather than technicalities. In conclusion, the Sony ZV-E1 sets a new standard for vlogging cameras. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1, Sony A7 IV. The Sony A7 IV is a best Sony camera overall. This successor to the A7 III sharpens your photography with a 33-megapixel sensor and superior Beyond's XR processor. Ready for stills or video, this camera impresses with its 10-bit footage support. You'll also love the revamped viewfinder and the versatile vari-angle touchscreen. The 828-shot buffer for CFexpress cards ensures you never miss a moment. There's a slight crop on 4K videos, which could be a tad annoying, but considering the stunning image quality, it's a small price to pay. The learning curve is steeper compared to entry-level models. However, the advanced features make it worth the effort. Comparing it to Canon EOS R6, the burst shooting might be slower. Yet, Sony's autofocus is top of its class, ensuring you get crystal clear shots. I enjoy how flexible this camera is for various photography needs. While it's pricier than its predecessor, its enhancements are well worth it. It might not lure beginners with its price point, but seasoned photographers will see its value. The Sony A7 IV feels like an investment in creativity and quality. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best Sony cameras. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which Sony camera you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.